You're watching TPM Vid Spotlight Series.
Kermit, I'm glad you're on this mayhem thing because if they were a no-show at their own concert, that would be a disaster for everybody involved, except me, of course, because I'm sort of the golden boy around here, but it would be a disaster for everybody else involved.
Well, okay, right. You know what? Hey, I gotta get back to it, so it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too, and let's do lunch sometime, or, maybe a lesser meal. Oh, they put bananas in this? It's not bad.
How they go?
Now we're together, so I do.
Thank you.
Good morning.
All available space. Mayhem, you should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Safe
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Sam?
I will gladly stall with yet another recitation of the Penniless Papers. However, I do fear that, like the great patriots who threw tea into Boston Harbor, the audience is beginning to revolt.
You don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, you should get going.
What about all of them?
You know how we feel about a band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please enter the alleys of Muppet Labs, Automotive Labs. We want to get you VIPs to the concert ASAP.
See you later. Have
Please enter the alley of Muppet Labs, Automotive Labs. We want you to get you VIPs to the concert ASAP.
Honey, look at all these dust bunnies.
Here we go.
unify your mind. Hang out, hang on, because we're about to get wild.
What do you say, gang?
Oh, we just like rock this place.